produce farms can contain hazards that cause harm when not controlled. Hazards, which are biological, physical, or chemical in nature, can contaminate produce or food contact surfaces. Risk assessment is a way to spot likely hazards on a farm or in a packing house and judge the impact of the hazard on the safety of fruits and vegetables. An important part of our job is to look out for these risky scenarios. Daily risk assessments are important so we can prevent contaminated food from entering the food supply and making people sick. When we see these scenarios, we need to communicate those risks to our supervisors, coworkers, and work together to manage those risks. Your eyes are the start for people to enjoy safe and high-quality produce.